All right, good morning. Can folks hear me okay? Welcome to APL, to the Lunar Surface Innovation Consortium Spring Meeting. I would like to just share a couple of details for the in-person folks in particular before I hand it over to the beginning of the program. I'm Rachel Klima. I'm the director of the Lunar Surface Innovation Consortium, and I'm very, very happy to welcome you here. If you need the restroom, they are outside and to the right. If you need anything, come find any of us on the team. We can help you out. We're working really hard to draw new people into the community, and that means some folks may not have the same space background as others, so I ask that as you mingle with one another, you kind of share and welcome them and try to make this as friendly and exciting an event for them as possible. If you are going to have lunch from the food truck, please order it online ahead of time if you can, because we don't want everybody standing out there. We don't need 200 people in line. There are power strips on the floor. Do not trip over those. And finally, we are doing questions for this meeting through Slido, and the purpose of that is to allow the folks that are online to also contribute questions on sort of an equal playing field. So we're going to do moderation with those questions. For the first few talks, I'll be sitting to the side and asking a selection of the questions to the speakers, but we will also capture all of those questions, and we will get the answers for you to any that we don't have time to answer. So if you submit them, sometimes there is a little lag in them coming through as well. We'll make sure that we can find you the answers that you need. So with that, I was extra fast. So we're going to have 5 extra minutes, everyone. I would like to